Hey, good morning, everybody. Last night I sent you guys a video. I swear that I expect a gap up, a gap down. I will explain why. Because somebody provided liquid for 4070. The spread between delta is so high, 80 points, and no gamma delta neutral region is 4100. So, and we have much more puts open at 4,100 and then calls. So makers, dealers are not very interested to buy at these levels. Also, let me get to the squeezy metrics over here. Also, the DIX dropped, so dealers didn't bought, and the GX jump almost 1.9 billions was 100 millions. Remember? So when the GX jumping a lot, so move the market is kind of little much more difficult, and consequently the volatility is supposed to be suppressed. And the DIX show that dealers are not buying. Definitely they are not buying, and definitely they are not closing their hedge. Okay, because that how the part of the structure that I have been seeing for me, my interpretation was a gap down. Okay, but this is not going to happen, right? So futures right now suggests a gap up. It's already 7.75 points. I also put in the group, if I'm wrong regarding my gap down, I'm not seeing too much upside. Market flat, maximum 10 points variation. I sent at 6:13 p.m. yesterday, Eastern time, in part of the summary. Let me open here. Yeah, here. So that's another suggestion from the book. If you not like the first suggestion gap down, the second option is a market flat, like 5 points. I put 5 points variation, not 10, right? And the future is suggesting 7.75. Okay, why? Higher GX, lower GX, a lot of people selling out of the money puts. This could bring market down. Also happen the opposite when people sell out of the money calls and dealers are the buyers. And because that, I look for these two options. The 30 options, if you go higher and you close green, is 5 points variation, a very flat market. Okay, but I'm more looking for the flat market or going down, even if you open with gap up. Okay, I could be wrong. Yes, we need to review during the day. My maximum target now, I changed the maximum target a lot, not more 4,150 as I said in the last yesterday video. I'm looking now for 4,142, 4,143, 4,145 maximum. So I range between 4,142.92 up to 4,145. So I'm looking for maximum 4,145. Start at 4,142.92, almost 4,143, up to 4,145. For me, that's the maximum target for today. Remember, 4,135, you have negative gamma, so that can push market down. Gotcha? Regarding the deltas, positive gammas at 4,138.9, zero gamma exposure, delta neutral 4,100, and delta negative 4,058.7. Huge spread. Okay? Huge spread. Since suggestions open above 4,138, we have a space to go up. Because that I'm seeing a limitation also per deltas and also per gamma around 4,145 could be the top. If we break 4,145, you have a very high GX. 4,150 supposed to be hold the uptrend. Why? Positive gamma. Call wall. Remember, positive gamma. Sell strength by weakness. So 4,150 you have a huge call wall. So per 02 DTE, 4,150 suggests that's hold the rally. That's hold the uptrend, at least for today. However, I'm looking for 4,143 up to 4,145. Okay? I'm looking for that region. Could you come like a news in the middle of the nowhere and bring market down? Yes, could. Why? They provide liquidity for 4,070. And the delta, we have also delta negative at 4,140, 4,145. Why? If you guys look for contracts to check the delta, look 4,180, 4,109. Those are in the delta negative, 100% negative. So the break even for 4,180, 4,190 is around 4,143. So 4,143, we have negative delta. Also, if you open here, you see that start you have negative gamma at 4,135. 10 points spread, very close. So we could open with 10 points, as future suggests, at 4,140, and we could see a sell back to 4,135 and bring us to 4,125. Remember, positive gamma flip at 4,110. So 4,125, if the market will be flat, suppose to be holding the downtrend. Okay? Even I'm telling you guys that somebody already provided liquidity for 4,007. The gamma neutral, the delta neutral is 4,100. Okay? But per current 02 DTE, just already defined, 4,125 could you hold the market. So the second option now is became more clear to me than the first option, a gap down, go back and close the gap on Friday that I said yesterday night. So looks like now that we will see more a flat market. Okay, we could close very flat, even like is close at 4,136. If you close like 4,025, it's a flat market, 10 points down. Or if you close at 4,142, 45, that's also a flat market, 10 points up. Okay, so now the structure suggestions at the open more a flat market where the top is supposed to be between 4,143 and 4,145. Breaking that negative delta, break-even contracts, 4,150 suggests us that you hold any further rally. Okay, so first open, it's already gone because we will not open with a gap down. Could you come and use in the middle of the nowhere to bring the market down? Yes, because they provide liquidity for out of the money contracts. Okay, but now structure suggests us a flat market. 4,142, 4,000 up to 4,145 for me is the top. Sellers supposed to be sitting in that region and bring markets up to 4,135. If you take back 4,135, you could back test 4,125. Okay? Losing 4,125, 4,120 you have bias because we have positive gamma that could you bring back us 4,135 and being a looping over here. 4,120, 4,135, flat market. Okay? And in the upside, like a loop, 4,135, 4,145 back 4,135. Okay, or 4,130. 4,130, 4,145 could you be the loop for the upside. Okay, those are the regions that I'm looking for. Contracts that suggest sellers 4,190, 4,180 because we have minus 100% delta. Take care, guys. See you guys soon.